What's up guys, welcome back. So I've been really busy today, a lot of new add-ons, new builds. So guys, I've got a great new add-on for you guys. It's actually a new XXX adult add-on, or should I say add-ons guys. This is by the Bishop and it's got about 6 different add-ons in this menu. Guys, it's an adult content add-on, and if you are under 18 years you cannot view this content. Please do not watch the video. So for the rest of you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to Epic Streaming and leave your comments down below and let me know what you think of this add-on guys. There seems to be a lot of hype around adult content and I hope it's with adults only. So this is what it's based on guys. So if we click on it, guys, I won't be playing content on this. I'm just going to show you the installation and a review of the actual menu itself. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different or brand new streaming adult services guys. So you got to clear cache as well, so if you keep using it you need to clear the cache in order for this add-on to work properly. So guys, we got different folders. Let's try one of the folders out for you guys quickly. So as you see guys, you got movies, clips, years, genres and favorites, so you can actually save stuff into your favorite folders. And if we open up movies, so there we have it guys, tons and tons and tons of content as we see, but I'm not gonna go through it guys. So guys, let's get down to actually installing it. Remember, this is brand new content and it's new to Kodi itself. So to install this guys, you're gonna click on the settings tab, and guys, keep watching right till the end. I have a good twist to this and maybe it might fancy some of you guys out there. So we're gonna go into file manager, you're gonna click on add source, and where it says none you're gonna enter this source. So I've already entered it, I'm going to show it to you. So we're going to cancel out, so we're going to click on that, you're going to edit source. So guys, this is the source URL, so it's the bishop.gq/repository. I will leave it in the description down below so you can actually take this down, and then you're going to give this source a name or URL name. Once you're done with that, you're going to click OK. You're going to go back out to the menu, so you're going to click on add-ons, you're going to click on the box in the top left corner, you're going to install from zip file, and you're going to click on the URL that you've given a name to. So I'll click on Bishop, and we're going to go down to the repository.bishop. So we'll click on that, and then we're going to click one more time on the zip file. So guys, just give it a second to pop up in the top right hand side corner telling you that the URL or the repository has been added or updated. So once you're done there, you're going to go install from repository, you're going to look for the Bishop repository, you're going to click on video add-ons, and you're going to click on the first one guys, Xxxmenu. So where mine says uninstall, you will say click on install and wait for the installation process. Once you've done that guys, it will actually install all these on one go, and the menu has been set it up. So if you go back out, you go into your add-on settings, and it'll actually be there guys. So if you click it, there's it guys, installed and ready to go. So guys, please leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about this add-on. It does work. I've tested some of the links out and it works flawlessly as well. So we're going to go back out. So now for the little twist. So guys, if you currently have a build on your Kodi and you want to incorporate that to it, you're gonna go and do the settings. So follow these steps, guys. So you're gonna go to settings. I'm just gonna reload my skin. So we're gonna go to interface. We're gonna go to skin. As you see, guys, I was using a Kodi 1 skin, which is the Phoenix Uprising. So I'm gonna click on that. Gonna wait for it to change and click yes. So once we go back out, so guys, you see the skin has been loaded, and this is my current build on my Kodi. So now I need to actually adjust my Kodi. So you're gonna click on system again. You're gonna click on interface. You're gonna go to where it says skin, and you're gonna configure skin. So where it says customization, you're gonna go to set up the Aeon Nox menu. So we're gonna click on that, and right at the left hand side you have two arrows. You have an X and a plus. So we're gonna click a plus, and we're gonna go to the right hand side and go to set label. So I'm gonna click on label, and I'm gonna give this a title. So I'm gonna click there, and I'm gonna click done. So guys, once that's done, it has been created. So we're gonna go to change action, and we're gonna go down to add-on. We're gonna go to video add-ons, and we're gonna select Xxxmenu. So once that's done, and we're gonna click on create menu item here. So that's done. We're gonna go to manage submenu. No, we're gonna go back there, and we're gonna go to manage submenu, and we're gonna choose item from menu. So again, we're gonna go to add-on, video add-on. You're gonna go down to Xxxmenu, and we're gonna create menu item here. So once that's done, guys, you can go back out, back to the main menu on your current build. Wait for it to build the shortcuts. Go back out, and there we have it, guys. You've got the adult add-on. So you want to click on that, and then it brings you straight to your menu. So guys, I hope this is useful, and it does help you out and helps you with your current builds that you're on your Kodi. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe tab and leave your comments down below to let me know what you think of these new add-ons for adult content. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you all in my next upload.